Hello everyone, myself Solomon and here I am with my new project all-in-one AI assistant. It's a Chrome browser's extension and I built this using the Chrome's built-in AI APIs. And I mainly use the prompt API, summary API, rewrite API and the write API. These four APIs are running totally in your computer itself, so it doesn't require any internet connection. And my main point of doing this project is to support people who are living in the rural areas without having any stable network connections. And let's move on to the demo part. This is my AI, and here we have the chat feature. In the chat feature, this is implemented by the prompt API. And the prompt API is a multimodal API. In this, you can attach any files like audios or images. This audio file is an explanation of the distributed computing in the computer science. Let me ask this to explain, and let's wait for the output. And here you can see the output is explained very summarized, and you can see the every topics are covered in this. And I have many more features implemented by this prompt API like the mind map generation, roadmaps and flashcards and the slides. Let's move on to the next part, the summaries. I implemented this using the summarize API, and you can give any sort of things to this and ask it to summarize with key points, bite size summary and teaser and a headline. Okay, let's move on with the key points and I'll make the length long. And here is the output, and it give the everything every key points to memorize this and to have a easy study thing. And let's move on to the next part, the write. I've implemented this using the write API, and let's ask this for writing an essay, and I'll make the tone as a formal and length I want it as a short one. Okay, and let's move on to the write, and here you see the output, and you can see the sentence more modernized and having many more modern English. And let's move on to the last feature. Actually, I can copy this and paste it in the rewrite, and I'll show the example. And I'll say this want to be more casual, and I'll say the AI to rewrite this as a more like a poem. Okay, and here's the output, and here you see it's more like a modern poem. One of a unique solution I made in this one is to memorize your character name, and actually it can connect with your emotions, and this is more advanced feature in the AI world, and this can really sync with you and make your task everyday task more easy to rely on it. Thank you.